What an awesome friggin' tool this thing is. I fill this puppy up with diesel maybe once a month. I can heat my entire shop up in about 30 minutes when I come out here in the evenings after work. There's the old furnace filter over the fan trick to get rid of blown sawdust everywhere, but I put that, turn it on this side of the shop in my makeshift wood shop, and then wait for my wood stove to get going. Got about 30-45 minutes. I can have the entire shop heated up and turn that thing off and just feed my wood stove once in a while with some pine. Beauty. I love it. The only problem is it's louder than hell, but I think that's the way all these freaking heaters are. Got fuel gauge on it. God. This is just a super simple, awesome tool. Now, I didn't pay $1 for it. It was out here in the garage when I bought my house, and the old boy says, I'll just leave that there. He says it didn't work. All I did to fix it was pulled these screws off, and there's a fuel line going up in here, and you take this top panel off. I just put maybe 1.5 foot of new fuel hose on it and plugged it in, and she started breathing fire. Oh, and it smells a little bit, but it's burning diesel, so it's to be expected. Using a ventilated shop. My shop isn't insulated very good, so it ventilates itself, but I still wouldn't trap myself in here for more than an hour with it running, but God, it's handy. Holds 5 gallons of diesel. And yeah, I think it lasts, if you just left it running, it'd run 10 to 12 hours, I think. I mean, it hardly sips fuel. If you figure that same price, if you were running an electric heater that'd put out the same amount of heat, this is way cheaper. Good little tool to warm the shop up in the evenings when I come out here and dink around, so I can listen to my nice quiet fire crackling.